waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Taruneet Kaur. I hope you're all doing well. So if you're new to my channel or you're watching my videos for the first time, please hit the subscribe button, that red color button which is at the right side. Hit that subscribe button, and next to that there is a bell icon as well. Hit that bell icon so that whenever I posted a new video, you will get notified and you can watch my videos on the same time. So let's just talk about today's video now. So today I have created this look right here. As you can see, I have created this smoky look without using any gel eyeliner, any kind of eye crayons, any thick sticks. I didn't use that. I just used the eye shades, simple eye shades, like matte eye shades you can say. And you can also create this look as well, because I have just used two shades on my crease to just create my crease, and one shade, that is the blackest shade, I just used one shade onto my lid. So you can create this look as well. So if you want to know how I created this look, so please keep on watching. So starting off with a moisturizer, I'm taking this lactocalamine lotion because it's summers and this lotion suits me so best as a moisturizer. I have an oily acne prone skin, so it just suits me so better. So next I'm just gonna spool out my eyebrows. Like, I just want to see where I have to give the shape and where I have to just fill in my eyebrows. So next I'm just gonna apply the primer, and this is a mattifying primer from Wellll. I have a really oily T-zone, so that's why it's just gonna cancel out the mattifying primer, just gonna cancel out all the shininess, and wherever I have pores I'm just dabbing it off, as you can see. So next I'm just gonna apply the eyebrow powder. This is eyebrow powder from House of Glam Dolls, and it's from Freedom. This is the perfect shade that suits my eyebrow color, the darkest brown shade. It has 4 colors and the darkest brown suits me so better, and I can't find any other color apart from this palette. I even can't get over of this palette. All the shades are so beautiful on this. So you can see once you're filled in, once you're not, so do fill in your eyebrows. So it's done. Next I'm just going to start with my eye look. So I'm just going to sharpen up my eyebrows with a concealer. So I'm using Olivia makeup stick. Today I'm using this as a concealer. So I'm just going to set my base. I'm just going to put the base, this concealer as a base on my eye, and it's done. And I'm just gonna set that creamy base with a powder. It's a compact powder from Sugar. Okay, done. Next I'm just going to start with my crease, and I'm taking a peachy brown color to just blend on my crease, to just to give a depth on my crease. Blending is more important than anything. Okay, next I'm just going to take a brown color, not a peachy brown, a brown color, to just give more depth on my crease. So I'm just going to blend that out, blend. Now I'm taking a tapered brush, and I'm just going to take that blackest color on my eyebrow, on my eye, on my lid. I'm just going to put it up. I'm not even touching the crease. As you can see, I am not even touching the crease. Let me just go ahead and show you how it's just going to look. This is how it should look. I'm not even touching the crease. It's just below the crease, and I'm not making any kind of wing. I'm just to the corners of my eye. As you can see, I'm doing it like so carefully. You should even. With the black color, with the dark colors. So this is how it should look like, and I'm not just going to fast forward this one because I want you to see the things that I am doing. I'm not fast forwarding it to see what exactly I'm doing. I'm taking that black color on a blending brush, and I'm just
carefully blending that same eye shade. I'm merging that eye shade with a blending brush, and I'm not taking a very heavy duty smoky look on my eye. This look you can carry it like those who don't even like the smoky look, they will surely like this look, because this is not a heavy duty smoky look on your eye. So I'm just blending it like so carefully, as you can see in this. I'm not even extending my look with this. I'm not even extending the black color. So this is how it should look like. Next, I'm just going to take a white eyeshadow just to the inner corners of my eye, just to give a little enhancement. That's it. You can take a silver eyeshadow as well, but make sure that will be a matte eye shade. Next, I'm just going to tightline my eye with the in color eye pencil. Now I'm just going to take that in color eye pencil again, and I'm just going to eyeline my eye, and I'll show you how it should look like. Just a thin eye. You can see the thin eye line. I'm touching just my eyelashes, not even making a wing with this. It's done. So this is how it should look like. Now I'm going to my base, so I'm just going to apply this green color corrector. I have really so many acne even on my face, so much of redness, so that's why there's a need to apply this green color corrector, because this is just going to cancel out all the redness. Now I'm just going to apply this orange color corrector to cancel out all the darkness on my face, like my under eye area, my chin area. Wherever I have darkness, I'm just going to cancel out with this orange color corrector. Now, oh my god, this concealer, I'm using it for the first time, and this is the first concealer I have used it. This is the concealer from Sace Lady, and I ordered it from wish.com. And let me tell you guys, this is like so bad concealer. It just dries out very quickly on the face, and it's really hard to blend. I tried it with a brush, I tried it with a beauty blender. Brush doesn't work. Beauty blender is still working like 10 to 20%. It's really hard to blend. As you can see, my facial expressions are like so hard that it takes so much of strength to blend it up, and it just ruined my all baby hairs. Yes, and it's just not even matching my skin tone. But yes, one thing is that it's a full coverage concealer. And I'm just going to even out my neck with my face, because it should look even up. It just ruined all my makeup. I don't want to even remove it off, because it's just gonna looks so messy. So just to even out my color on my face, I'm just going to apply a foundation which is one shade darker than my skin tone, just to even up, just to match up the skin tone, just to look natural. But yes, I was successful to make my skin look so even after applying that. So it's a foundation from Rimmel. By chance I just got a shade which is one shade darker than me, so it just helped me this time. I'm just going to even up everything, and now I'm just going to set everything out with my favorite, all-time favorite translucent powder from the one Oriflame. I'm just gonna set up all the areas where I have used the creme powder. So it's so important to set your face with, if you have used any kind of creme products, you have to set that up with a powder product. It's so important not to get any kind of creasy look, not to get any kind of a patchy look. So you have to set everything out with powders. You just have to give a hint of touch, not to do so much of touching with the powders. Done. Now I'm going to take that tapered brush again, the black eye shade. I'm just going to give a smoky look under my eye, under my waterline, and I'm just going to use a white kajal on my waterline, and this is from PAC. Yes. Now it's mascara time, and this mascara I'm using it for the first time. This mascara is from MN, and it's just wow mascara. It's just a wow mascara. Have a look. I'm not using any false lashes. This is my natural eyelashes, and this is how it comes up with that ML mascara. It's a matte look mascara. Now I'm just going to use this contour palette. It's from Sugar. It has the bronzer, highlighter and blusher. So I'm just going to bronze up my face, my jawline, my forehead, to give dimensions on my face to look more sculpted. And now I'm just blushing up my face by giving a little smile, and now I'm just highlighting up my face. This is a kind of hack, guys. Use the highlighter with your ring finger. It will not give you any kind of chunkiness. It just give you more natural look of the highlighter. Now I always forgot to bronze up my nose, so I'm doing it just to a little bronzing up my nose, just to give a lengthy nose. So now I'm highlighting up the bridge of my nose. Now finally my lining up my lips, and also I'm just going to fill my lips with that same lip liner. It's so beautiful shade. It's in the shade Mauve from Pack. Can't get over this. Now I'm just going to apply this shade from MN, and this is the shade Bleached. Beautiful nude look, but I'm still not satisfied, so I'm just gonna apply it's from NYC. Yes, so this is a shiner from NYC. It's a liquid gloss from NYC. Now I'm just gonna highlight my inner corners, my brow bone. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you will like it. This is the final look I came up with.
We are done with the look, guys. As you can see, I have created this look in so simple, easy steps, so that you can create this look for yourself as well. And also you can carry this look with any Indian outfit or any kind of Western outfit or any black outfit if you're wearing. So it all depends upon you. It's your choice. You want to go with the bold eye look, you want to go with the nude eye look. It all depends upon you. Everyone has, you know, their different choices to create the looks. So this is it for today, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.